Hello, my name is Frank Smasal. I'm the Managing Director of the KLAWA-Anlagenbau GmbH. I would like to use this possibility to introduce one of our products. This product is called Intelligent Swing Washer, which is produced here in Gudensberg, and from here we're sending it in many countries all over the world. Especially this product you can see behind me is produced for China market. In the China market we have very big constructions, and these big constructions have the need to have many of these kind of products. This product is to clean the bottom of a basin or tank or pumping station. There's always the risk that the material which is inside the water is going down to the bottom, and the swing washer is helping you to avoid this sedimentation on the bottom. We have experience since 30 years in the sector of water and wastewater, and all the experience we are collecting inside the products, and these products, they are standing for quality, reliability, and at the end for made in Germany. Our intelligent swing washer is mainly made out of 3 parts. The first part is a pump, which is delivered directly from KSB. The second one is the engine, and the third one is a welding group. This welding group is completely produced here in our company in Gudensberg. These products we are bringing together, these 3 components, and we are testing them very carefully on our testing station, and each of these products is tested before it's leaving to our customers. We are testing the product so carefully because it's very important for us that we have at the end a satisfied customer. If you liked our presentation, if you liked our product, then you can follow this link here. There you can get much more information, and you can also contact us anytime to get some more information directly from us.